Today we are going to convert our 3-position fan tray into a 6-position fan tray. To do that, we will be removing the blank panel and inserting the 3-position expansion module into one of the empty slots in the fan tray. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver or a drill with a Phillips head bit. First thing you do is flip the fan tray over and get the wires out of the way so that you don't damage them. Cut the cable tie to move the wires out of the way and make sure that the fan tray is not plugged in. Flip the tray back over. Use the drill or screwdriver to remove the screws securing the blank plate in place. There are 2 screws along the rail on each side of the panel. Pop out the blank panel from the back and set it aside. Grab the 3-position expansion module and make sure the terminals on the side are facing down. Use the appropriate power cords and plug them into the terminals. Wrap the excess wire along the notched edge of the module. Set the expansion module into the tray and align the screw holes on the module with those on the tray. Use the screws removed from the blank panel to secure the module in place. Once the screws are in place and the expansion module is secure, you are done, and you now have a 6-position fan tray. For a 9-position fan tray, follow the above steps once more to add the additional module into the remaining empty slot. Flip the tray back over and use the cable ties to hold any remaining wires in place. Plug the fan tray into an electrical outlet using the power cable to test and ensure all fans are running properly. And that's it! By following these simple steps, you've successfully transformed your 3-position fan tray into a 6-position fan tray. With all the fans running smoothly, your upgraded setup is ready to provide enhanced cooling performance. Thank you for choosing Orion Fans, where we'll make you a fan.